Hey guys, what's up? This is B coming to you from GNA today. So I just got a real quick ammo score video for you today. So I picked up some Fed Reds this morning. So I got there this morning about 7:20 or so. Went over and Flint scanned it, and it showed that there was 30 in stock. And so I went over, and I'm not sure if there was some stored somewhere else or if maybe there was some sold earlier and it just wasn't showing up in the Flint scan, because that usually takes 30 minutes to an hour to update. When I went over and looked at the case, there was still 7 of these sitting on the shelf, and there was still 14 or 15 boxes of CCI Mini Mag.
One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 boxes. Quite a bit of CCI left also.
So I picked up my 3 boxes. This was on 3/21, March 21st. That's today. I'm recording this later tonight, but this morning at 7:34 is whenever I bought this. The girl who is working sporting goods was working over in hardware, and took me a little while to find her. But anyways, finally got my 3, and whenever I walked in, it was like a ghost town. There wasn't anybody to fight with. So there you go. There's my little ammo score. Sweet being able to pick up these Fed Reds. Thanks for watching today.